Did you know developers lose almost 50% of their time on non-core work? Time meant for building products consumed on repetitive tasks. Emails, assignments, social media posts, the same task every single day. Work that keeps you busy but does not build any real skills. This is exactly why NxtWave collaborated with n8n. n8n is a powerful open source workflow automation tool now integrated into NxtWave Academy courses. Here, learners can visually design workflows, connect apps, set logics, trigger actions, all without writing complex code. You are not just using automation, you are learning how systems work. From Gmail and Slack to Notion and Google Sheets, n8n automates modern tech stacks end to end. Most importantly, you can build AI agents using n8n platform. This is how modern technology works, and this is what learners build hands-on. And this is why platforms like NxtWave focus on modern technology learning. Not just theory, but new technologies, industry-ready projects, and system thinking. Because these are the skills that matter the most in automation-driven world 2026 and beyond.